Look, I'll cut the crap. If you're living paycheck to paycheck, drowning in loans, and think downloading another budget app will fix it, you're kidding yourself. Whether you're 18 or 55, buried in student loans, car notes, mortgages, or credit card debt, you need more than spreadsheets. You need tactical gear for your finances. Hi, my name is Thurman, and I want to tell you about the 3-day Budget Like a Boss challenge. I grew up in South Africa, grinding through call centers, factory shifts, and corporate cubicles. I watched friends with worse degrees coast through life while I scanned every bank account and saw zeros. I built Excel spreadsheets that looked like nuclear launch plans. I tried every guru hack in existence, and I still had nothing when payday came along. Then in 2011, ulcerative colitis landed me in the hospital with bills stacking up and no income. It felt like my life was burning down. No rescue squad showed up, and that's when I reinvented myself and I invented my escape plan. I created the 3 bucket revolution, and within months I went from living paycheck to paycheck to earning in my sleep, rebuilding my credit, and launching businesses that scale. You, I'm afraid, have been sold on budgets that feel like punishment. Track every penny, cut out coffee, live like a hermit, don't live at all. That is just survival mode living. I call my approach the 3 bucket method. And here's the deal: 1 bucket saves your ass, 1 bucket builds your empire, and 1 bucket makes sure you actually live while you're alive. I won't reveal the mechanics here. That's exactly why I'm running a 3-day challenge. So, in 3 days, you'll see how simple it really is and why it blows traditional budgeting out of the water. So, whether you're 18 and saddled with 6-figure student debt, or in your 30s juggling mortgages and car loans, or in your 50s rebuilding your credit and trying to catch up, you'll find this system actually works. No more scattered tracking, no more guilt trips. It forces every single dollar to earn its keep. So for 3 days, just $7, you get the blueprint I wish I'd had 15, 20 years ago. What do the 3 days comprise of? Day one obliterates the hidden leaks that drain your wallet when you're not looking. We hunt down your sneaky subscriptions, your impulse buys, and money draining habits, and we reroute that cash into your safety net. By the end of day one, you'll have a very clear plan to handle surprise expenses without panic. On day two, we shift onto offense. We allocate those reclaimed dollars into a power building bucket that fuels real income growth. Think side hustles, digital products, affiliate commissions, or investments tuned to your skill sets. You'll walk away with a concrete action list: what to spend, where to reinvest, and how to automate that process so your money works while you sleep. Day three is the shock and awe finale. We unlock the part no one talks about, the psychological triggers that make you self sabotage when things start going right. You'll identify the exact mental blocks holding you back. You'll apply a straightforward technique to override them and celebrate a small but very powerful financial win. By the time day three ends, you won't just have a plan, you'll have momentum. After these 3 days, here's what you'll have: you'll have clarity, no more blind spots around your spending, you'll have relief, a fortified safety net so emergency bills don't crush you, you'll have momentum, a system that keeps your income climbing each month, you'll have joy, the freedom to treat yourself guilt free, and you'll also have support of a private community of like minded people pushing you forward. You will meet people like Angeline, a 32-year-old who paid off $78,000 in student loans in just 8 months, and Marcus, a 42-year-old father who cleared $127,000 in credit card debt while doubling his income. These folks have seen real results. And so have over 200 hustlers who have gone through this program, and 85% see measurable change within 90 days. You'll also get my personal budget and 3 bucket calculator, a debt snowball toolkit, as well as access to a community that refuses to let you slip. Talk about accountability. That's what we're all about. So, this is your Red Pill moment for money. For the cost of 2 coffees, just $7, you get a God tier steal. The same system that took me from broke and beaten to building online businesses that hum along without me. There is no risk, only reward. If you scroll past this, another month of paycheck panic awaits. Prove you want this. Click join now before we hit 200 spots and close the doors. If you're still reading, you obviously want change. Now finish the micro commitment. Click that button below, arm yourself with this weapon, and take control. Your move.